Tenebrio molitor, commonly known as the mealworm, is a species of darkling beetle that is often bred and used as a source of nutrition for various animals and as a model organism in scientific research. The larvae of Tenebrio molitor, commonly referred to as mealworm larvae, have distinct characteristics and life stages. Here's detailed information about Tenebrio molitor larvae. 1. Appearance. Mealworm larvae are typically light to dark brown and have a segmented body with a cylindrical shape. They range in size from about 1 to 2.5 centimeters, 0.4 to 1 inch in length, depending on their age and developmental stage. The larvae have 6 small legs near the front of their body, which distinguish them as insects. 2. Life cycle. Tenebrio molitor undergoes complete metamorphosis, which includes 4 distinct life stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Mealworm larvae are the second stage in this life cycle, following the egg stage. Larvae go through multiple molts, shed their exoskeleton, as they grow and develop. They typically undergo around 10 to 20 molts during their larval stage, depending on environmental conditions. 3. Diet. Mealworm larvae are scavengers and primarily feed on decaying plant matter, grains, and other organic materials. They are detritivores, which means they help break down and recycle dead and decaying organic matter in their ecosystem. 4. Habitat. In the wild, mealworm larvae can be found in various environments, including stored grains, decaying wood, leaf litter, and compost. They are known for their adaptability and can thrive in a wide range of conditions. 5. Behavior. Mealworm larvae are generally nocturnal, being more active at night. They tend to burrow into substrates, such as grain or sawdust, for shelter and protection during the day. 6. Lifespan. The duration of the larval stage can vary based on environmental factors such as temperature and food availability. Under optimal conditions, the larval stage typically lasts around 2 to 3 months. 7. Importance. Mealworm larvae are a valuable food source for various animals, including birds, reptiles, and small mammals. They are also used in scientific research, particularly in studies related to nutrition, development, and insect physiology. 8. Reproduction. After completing their larval stage, mealworms pupate and eventually emerge as adult darkling beetles. Adult Tenebrio molitor beetles reproduce, and the cycle continues with the laying of eggs, hatching, and the development of new mealworm larvae. 9. Commercial use. Mealworm larvae are commercially produced and sold as pet food and as a source of protein for human consumption, especially in some regions where they are considered a sustainable and nutritious food source. Mealworm larvae play an important ecological role as decomposers and are a significant part of the food web. Their ability to thrive in various conditions and their nutritional value make them an interesting subject for both scientific research and practical applications in agriculture and animal husbandry.